Okay, today I just got my package. Well, one of them. Now, this is a package that has 7 characters in it. And let's open it up. Okay, put this. Alright. Oh my god. We got a 5-inch Terrence. We got Construction Pig. We got another Postman Pig. Oh my god, we got Cowboy Pig. Okay. We got a Giant Howl. We got a Easter Red. And a Angry Birds Incredible Terrence, I think, or Super Terrence. Okay, let me move this box. Oh my god, let me get this one out first. Okay. Oh wow, they're really soft. Does he make sound? Oh, drop him. Okay, does he make sound? He does. Alright. This is exciting. Hold up, let me open this one. Gotta be careful about these. Let me set it down a second. Oh my gosh. Here is Cowboy Pig. He has only one crack right here, but other than that, he is mint condition. It's just this one crack right here is a little bit broken, but it's okay. Next up we have Hal. Well, the giant version. Okay, let me get him out. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. He still makes sounds, and he has the ring around his beak. So I guess this is version 2. And the other one... Okay, here's a comparison with the other house I have. Okay, here is this Hal, and here's this Hal. And here's the other one. So this is version 1, version 2, and version 3. Okay, now here is Construction Hat Pig. And he is wrapped up good, so hold up, I need to put the camera down. Okay, let me just... Okay, he's out. Oh my god, this is so cool. I always wanted this character. Here is a Super Terrence. Let me just open him. Oh, he makes noise too. It's so hard to do this. Okay, here is the Angry Birds Space Terrence. And the last one is another Postman Pig. And I already have him. Sorry guys, hold up. Yeah, here's another Postman Pig plush. And lastly, we have this giant Easter Red plush. Now let me see if I can open him with only one hand. Hold up. I'm sorry guys, it's just I have one camera on the phone and one holding these plushies. And here is Easter Red. Wow, this is cool. Oh wow, they have actually wires inside of them to bend. But this is awesome. So, let's do a quick review. Here's the 10-inch Terrence, a second Postman Pig, Construction Hat Pig, Cowboy Hat Pig, 5-inch Super Terrence, Giant Boomerang Howl, and Giant Easter Red. I'm just excited because I always wanted these two plushies, which is Construction Pig and Cowboy Pig, and I finally got them to my collection.